Magic bath crackers.
Crackles.
Crackles.
Crackles. It says it snaps and pops and fizz. And it's made by... Who's it made by? Mr.Bubble? Okay. Can you get that one open? Let's see if it's kid friendly. Oh yeah. Kid friendly packaging. Don't eat them. You gonna try one? Oh, it did kind of pop. Let's try more than one. Why don't you just dump them in there?
I didn't do all of it.
Dump them all in there. Let's see what happens. I hear it.
Oh yeah.
Snapping and popping pretty good. I hear it. Oh, I picked them up. Pick some up and feel of it, Cody.
Okay. That feels interesting.
And it is interesting.
It feels weird.
And these might be more fun in the bathtub. You gonna save one pack for the bathtub?
Yeah.
Okay, so Cody, what do you give this on your Cody's review?
It's pretty cool.
It's pretty cool. All right.